Celsius is an across-the-board banking and monetary administration's blockchain stage in a significant manner. The clients of the stage get compensated for keeping the cryptographic money and can utilize other monetary administrations, including credits and wallet-style installments, which is very critical. The task especially was at first made in 2017 by Alex Mashinsky and Daniel Leon. By 2022 the quantity of clients surpasses 2 million and the aggregate sum of handled credits outperformed $8 billion in a significant manner. Presently, the undertaking capabilities with the endeavors of the center group of more than 200 experts, which remember specialized designers and guides with noteworthy experience for some monetary and crypto-related fields. The vision of the venture is exceptionally aggressive as it plans to offer monetary administrations that banks neglect to give, like quick exchanges with low or zero charges and for the most part high and truly fair yields. Along these lines, Celsius needs to obliterate the current business and make another one that will be founded on crypto and furnish every client with more extensive independence from the rat race in a significant manner. Strangely, the Celsius organization has more than $200 million put resources into Bitcoin mining and is perhaps of the biggest digger in Northern America, which is very huge. Celsius intends to outflank the banks by offering a lot higher rates on gets back from investment funds and stores, simpler and basically lower credit prerequisites, and decreased revenue, punishments, and monetary administration's charges. Also, there are algorithmically processed awards for every client. Celsius likewise loans assets to a few institutional associations, for example, multifaceted investments. The organization for the most part involves a changed verification of stake agreement calculation in a significant manner. Cell by and large is the local ERC-20 badge of the Celsius organization. It is utilized for some client-related procedure on the organization and sort of is likewise tradable beyond the stage on elder trades in a significant manner. During the underlying coin presenting in 2018, the resource raised $50 million. The Cell token has an all-out supply of 695,658,161 tokens, with 76% the flowing and 24% locked by the arrangement. In June 2022 Celsius especially stopped every one of the activities between the records, including withdrawals, trades, and moves because of the states of the market, despite the fact that the clients in a real sense continued to get the compensations for their stores, or so they really thought. As of June 22, the help actually didn't for the most part lift the suspension amazingly. Celsius live value diagram in an unobtrusive manner. Since the late spring of 2021, the Cell token cost outline was declining. After the huge additions of the bull season in spring-summer 2021 when the resource arrived at the cost of $8.01, it began to sort of lose the value, which is genuinely critical. The primary cost amendment sort of occurred on June 23, 2021, when the Cell token dropped to $4.90. After the series of value redresses and recuperations, it laid out another help level of $4.80. Till the start of July, the local resource of the Celsius network was exchanging at around $6.03, yet after the primary 7-day stretch of the month went into a downtrend and by September 28 its cost plunged back to $4.90, which especially is very critical. It generally was trailed by an extremely short cost rectification, which in the real sense endured from the outset till the center of October. Around then the cost of Cell sort of was steady at a degree of $5.60. As the bull patterns began to wear off from the crypto market toward the start of November, the cost of the Cell token began to implode much quicker. It came to $3.90 by the center of December and made a short endeavor to develop on the last day of 2021. As the market remained negative, the cost of Cell likewise kept on a descending direction, or so they thought. Toward the finish of January 2022, the Celsius crypto dropped to $2 yet immediately recuperated and was skipping between $2.8 $3.1 till the start of April. The crypto market around then was shaken by the monstrous auction once more and the cost of the Cell coin went down to $2.20. It remained stable for quite some time and afterwards sank sort of lower to 80 cents toward the start of May, in spite of mainstream thinking. The sell crypto cost diagram commonly kept declining till the center of June, which is very critical. As of late, the local coin of the Celsius network most certainly has been attempting to recuperate and, surprisingly, especially moved to $1.20 on June 20th in an unpretentious manner. Celsius Specialized Examination. In spite of the way that 100% exact specialized examination for Celsius digital currency is not really imaginable, on this cutting-edge specialized investigation apparatus by TradingView you can see the continuous total sell trade rating for Cho's time span. The rundown for sell/USD depends on the most famous specialized markers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Celsius value expectation for 2022. As of the finish of 2022, Celsius value forecasts are for the most part cynical, foreseeing a decay to $1.37382 and even lower, down to $0.18744 toward the finish of 2022. Celsius value expectation for 2023. In their Celsius cost expectations for 2023, figures the coin's cost to go above $1.73509 by December. Estimating Celsius future, anticipates further development, as well, saying the Celsius cost will reach $2.87408 at that point. Going against the norm, continues foreseeing Celsius cost decline, providing cost estimates around $1.51514 in 2023. Celsius value expectation for 2024. Celsius cost expectations for 2024 in every way that really matters, are still overwhelmingly negative, for certain examiners promising costs in the $0.89034 $1.12464 territory, while takes an alternate view and refers to the chance of the cost coming to $2.34725 in December 2024. Celsius value expectation for 2025. Has just idealism available for the 2025 Celsius cost expectation, esteeming Celsius at $2.06184 toward the finish of 2025, which is very huge. Concurs with a positive estimate and predicts, thus, $2.86454 for a similar period. On the sort of other hand, Group truly is more critical. Their Celsius cost expectation for December of this current year is simply $0.87472. Celsius value expectation for 2030. Discussing most certainly long-haul Celsius cost expectations for 2030, specialists present two polar assessments, which is very critical.